What's up, guys? It's your boy, Military and Mopar Madness, okay? Hope you guys are having an outstanding Sunday. But other than that, we're about to get to the point. So, well, first, if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe, comment, like, and hit the bell. I'm about to say subscribe again. It's really important that you guys subscribe because it helps me and I can put out better stuff in the future. You know, I can't make it without y'all. You guys are the supporters. But other than that, we about to get straight to the point. So I'm going to show y'all how to disassemble the XDM 4.5 Elite 9mm. It is a new weapon. They are out of stock mostly everywhere. I ordered mine on Palmetto State Armory about 3 months ago. Got it for $533 after tax and shipping and the other background check fees and all the other stuff. But yeah, and all I really use to clean it is like an old t-shirt. I have other cleaning supplies, but you don't really want to get those, those metal brush things, so you can kind of damage the barrel. You can kind of scratch it up and, you don't want to harm it. If you over clean your weapon, you can mess it up. But I'm going to show you guys how to disassemble it. It's relatively easily. Like I said, it's a new weapon. XDM Elite made, it made 4 of these. Right, we're gonna leave a picture up in the video. I'm gonna show you guys the 4 that they made. They made the XDM Elite 3.89mm. They made the XDM 4.5 9mm. These are all the elites. They made the XDM Elite Tactical 4.5 9mm. And they made the XDM Elite 5.25 Competition 9mm. Now all of the elites are a 9. Now the older ones, the last gen, they came in 45 cal, 40 cal. Everybody was like, hey, we want the bigger caliber. But the elites are only in 9mm. So I'm sorry for you heavy caliber guys that like 40 cal, Smith & Wesson, 45. It would be nice if these were in 45, kind of get that boom, boom. But we're going to show you guys that the weapon is unloaded. And like I said, with the XDM, whenever this indicator, the metal thing is not out, that means it's not ready to fire. When you cock it back, you look in here, guys, don't see nothing in the chamber. It's kind of dark. No magazine. The magazine is in here, but no rounds are in the chamber. Okay? Slide it back. Now it's ready to fire. Don't matter if you pull the trigger, it will not shoot. This has to be engaged. But I'm going to show you guys how to disassemble the XDM Elite 4.5 9mm. If you did not know how, Because the guys might say, oh, they got the hand grip safety on the back. How do I take it off? Well, you're about to find out. So first, with mostly all firearms, first thing is first. You want to rack it back to the back with the magazine in. Of course, unload it. As you can see, it's racked back. And like I did on my previous video, if you didn't see it, it has 2 slide releases on the left and the right side for left and right hand firearms. So now what you want to do at this point is, see this switch right here? This allows the barrel to slide off. So you have to push the barrel up. You have to push the barrel up, not the barrel, the switch. You want to slide it up. So now it's unlocked. Then what you want to do now is rack the slide back and pull down the slide release. So pull it, but never keep your finger on the trigger as long as you're getting ready to use it. Pull it back. See that? Just pull it off. Now it's off. It's naked. You got the springs in here. You got all your other stuff in here. You got your barrel. So you just pull your spring on out. Take the barrel on out. It's 4.5 barrel. Kind of got some lube on it for shooting. I didn't clean it the last time I shot because I didn't shoot that many. But I got some other things I used to clean. As you can see, it's brand new weapon. But you don't want the carbon to build up in your chamber. You don't want that. So just go in and get that clean. But I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. I told you like I'll be back. I just use this here. It's kind of like, like I said, the metal brush. You could just literally just put it down the barrel. Let's pull it through. Getting all that carbon and stuff out of there. Woohoo! Right through the pipe. LOL, y'all. But yeah, always make sure your weapon is clean and ready to go at all times. You don't want it to fail whenever you need it. Not that an XDM will fail, because it's one of the best firearms made. Oh, like Glock. You guys love Glock so much. Glock 19X, Glock 17, Glock 40. Ugh, Glocks from Austria. Y'all love Glocks, man. I might get a Glock. Y'all better subscribe if I get a Glock. I spend $600 on a Glock. Anyway, if we're talking about the Springfield SDM, let's not get off topic. But yeah, you know, swipe it down, guys. Simple, you know, wipe the carbon off. And this is the kind of lube I use. So even after you clean it, you gotta re-lube it, because you want the weapon to stay lubricated. You just want it to be sitting all dry and unlubricated and stuff like that, you know, guys. But yeah, if you're new, please subscribe. You ain't even gotta like or comment. Just subscribe at least, you know. Help me out. Let me know what y'all want to see, you know. I'm gonna put better, you know, reviews and content out. Like I'm a new YouTuber, okay? I got a lot of flaws. I'm pretty sure my video's not the best, you know, but you know, help me out. But yeah, y'all, I'm just cleaning this bad boy here. But I will leave a picture up with the elites that they have. I'm so glad I was able to find the XDM Elite. Man, this thing is immaculate. And this is a magazine, just in case I didn't show y'all. And it's illegal in California, by the way, guys. Can't have it in Cali because of the magazine capacity, guys. But yeah. But don't play with firearms, y'all. Don't play with firearms. I'm pretty sure y'all are mostly adults that search this video, but if you have children, please put them away from them. Nobody wants to see their loved one shoot themselves with your firearm. It'll hurt you worse than you can hurt yourself. So we're gonna assemble this bad boy back together. We're gonna conclude this video because I don't want to hold y'all up too long. You know, so, but we gonna assemble this bad boy, okay? We're gonna put this bad boy back together. This baby boy, it's a 9mm. It's a baby boy, you know, baby boy. Little, handsome XDM Elite. And if you guys don't believe me that it's not an Elite, look for yourself. Boom. No clickbait, baby. Oh, real over here, baby. But anyways, let's put these things back together. First thing first, it's your barrel. I'm gonna put it upside down. Barrel's in, guys. As you can see, the barrel is in. I'm gonna put this spring back in, guys. Make sure it's all the way at the bottom so it can be flush and click. It's not all the way in, so it would not be able to fit properly. You gotta push that spring hard. That spring got a lot of tension on it, y'all. Last but not least, I always do mine upside down. So I usually line it up with the grooves right here in the middle. I just watch it slide up. And it's gonna click, y'all. Y'all ready for the click? Let's click. Now, this is the part that you have to pay close attention. You gotta rack it all the way to the back, but make sure you have your hand on the slide release so it can lock back. You gotta lock it, y'all. Oh, I forgot my magazine. Y'all should have told me that, man. Lock it back. So if you don't need your hand on the slide release. You just rack it back with the mag. Then what you want to do, guys, is push this back down to lock it. You just want to rack it back forward. Don't want to point at the camera. But it is indicated as fired. We all know it does not have a mag or bullet in it because we checked. Like I said, it won't shoot at all. When you engage this, boom. So that's how you know it's unsafe whenever this is not showing. But yeah, y'all, this is my HDM 4.5 Elite. You know, I just wanted to show y'all how to take it apart. Kind of clean it a little bit, you know. I was thinking about getting a Glock 19X FDE, but I'm thinking about a Sig Sauer P320. But I think I'm just going to stick with the Springfields, you know, because the P320 is kind of too big to conceal carry, and the XDM is more skinnier. So I'm going to point it this way so y'all can see the real sight. It's so nice, y'all. Y'all see that? Look at that. Y'all need to get y'all XDM, man. I conceal carry this baby, you know. It's comfortable. It's not too horrible. The only thing I don't really like is a long hand grip, but it's because you got the, you know, the high capacity on the magazine, so of course it's going to be a little uncomfortable. But other than that, I like it. It's pretty accurate. It's a damn good weapon. You know, HDM really stepped their game up. From what I know, they always been good. Like I used to own a Taurus G2C, a Taurus G3. Those are pretty good for their prices. They're not bad weapons at all. Taurus has really come a long way. I also want to talk about my last XDM 3.8 FDE I had. I sold it a while back, but that was pretty good too. But this is pretty good, you know. It's a bang for your buck. It's cheaper than the Glock. In my opinion, I like it better because the Glock does not have safety. The Glock does not have a safety switch. This doesn't have a safety switch, but you have the hand grip safety in this. So a child is more likely to shoot themselves with a Glock versus with an XDM. So please, if you have children, or in general, you conceal carrying and that trigger bump, you're going to shoot yourself with a Glock. But, you know, everybody loves Glocks. The Glocks are this and that. Glock this, Glock that. Get a Glock. It's better than Smith & Wesson. It's better than Taurus. Of course it is. It's better than Sig Sauer. It's better than XDM Springfield. It's better than Colt. You know, the Glocks is just Ferrari, better than a lot of stuff, right? But I really appreciate y'all for watching. Like I said, please subscribe. You know, please turn on that notification bell because I got some more content coming. Trying to keep my videos a little longer so I can get watch time. I know y'all don't like short videos, so I'm doing longer videos so you guys can watch. You know what I'm saying? But this is it's a pretty nice weapon. It's not too big. You know, it's not really heavy at all, you know. It's a nice weapon, you know. Look at it, y'all. Let's take a moment and just appreciate the design on it. Just look at this. Wow. And it's so solid. Wow. Just look at it, y'all. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. You know what I love when I go to the firearm store, y'all, and they have all the guns? I be like, wow, which one do I want to buy? I said, no, I don't want that one. And I was so close to buying an AK, y'all. I was this close. AK was $600, y'all. You know how cheap that is for an assault rifle? $600. Yo, an AK, like, wow. 7.62 by 39 millimeter for $600. Wow. I'm mind blown. I'm so mind blown. I'm gonna be all around them though, y'all. Can y'all believe that? $600? $600. Both of these combined about $600. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Keep supporting your boy, Military and Mopar Madness, okay? Without the support of y'all, I cannot be great. I cannot get to 1,000 without y'all. So please help me out. If you want me to subscribe back to you, subscribe to me first. Comment, say, hey, I just subscribed. I will subscribe back to you. I will hit the bell, and I will turn on the notifications. I will help you help me. But I really appreciate y'all. Thank you guys, and please be safe. Always handle a firearm as if it is always loaded. Never have your finger on the trigger until you are ready to fire the firearm. And remember, remember, always be responsible. And always make sure you know what you're trying to shoot at and why. Because each bullet that leaves, you will pay the consequence. Thank y'all. Please have a nice and wonderful day.